What's happening, family man? It's Sunday swing trade stock setup, right? I'm gonna go over the play for this upcoming week. I'm gonna also recap what I did last week. Y'all hit me in the comments. Let me know when you tapping in from. I will get on a regular schedule with this posting eventually. Currently, today is my birthday, so I wanted to get on here live just to give y'all the play real quick. But so let me go ahead and do that. So first, let's look at the market. Let's look at the market. Um, Let me share my screen. All right, so we're gonna look at the fear and greed index. Well, before we even do that, let's go back to what I called last week and see how those plays work. Right? Let's see how those plays worked out. All right, so last week I called Google. Let's pull that up. It went down, to go bearish, but it got pushed back up, more buying pressure than selling pressure. But the hammer has a story, right? So I'm gonna share this with y'all so y'all could see. I'm gonna go on Google and share this with y'all. All right, that's enough. That's enough. All right, so if y'all could see where Google was at on that one, let me go ahead and get rid of that and share my screen with y'all on Google. It was a couple plays I did too, but Google, I think Google, Amazon. But if you look right here is where I called that candle, right? We had the divergence, the hammer candle, lower lows on the stochastic and RSI, higher highs on the stock. That's a divergence. Plus with the hammer, if you don't know, hold on, let me switch the screen. So the hammer, if you don't know, the hammer is a reversal candle, right? So you see the hammer is a reversal candle, usually coming down from a downward trend, showing that the stock is going to go in another direction. You usually want that to appear at a level of support. So at a downtrend, at a level of support is the best time to play these candles. All right. So boom. So look like stock Sundays, man. I ain't missed yet. And I don't intend on missing at all. So y'all stay locked with me because I'm gonna keep giving y'all these plays every Sunday. All right, we're gonna do the fear and greed index. Where we at? Fear and greed index. All right, so the fear and greed index shows you the emotion of the market. Right now, we are neutral, closer to fearful. When it's fearful, you want to think the stock market may go in the uptrend. When it's greedy, you want to think that the market is going to go in a downtrend. Right now, we are currently neutral, so that's not giving me too much information. So we're going to look at the US dollar. And I'm going to tell y'all why we're going to look at the US dollar in a second. Hold on. All right, so we're going to look at the US dollar. And the reason why we're going to look at the US dollar is because the stock market moves inverse to the US dollar, right? So this is on a year-to-date time frame. The US dollar is going up. Look like we might expect a little pullback in the stock market. So let me see if I could pull Google back up and see if Google is probably going to come down off of that run that it just did, which is probably going to do that. All right, so Google got a little room. Google got a little room to go up. Google got a little room to go up, but it does have this bearish engulfing. If you look at this big red candle over here engulfing the 2 prior days. So Google looked like it might be going down. If you don't know what bearish engulfing is, let me go ahead and pull it up. Bearish engulfing. All right, let me show y'all this. All right, so the bearish engulfing pattern is when you have a bearish candle engulfing the bullish candle next to it, but it's even a better candle when it's next to multiple candles, right? So I'm feeling like after the run up, we're a little oversold. Tech is due for a pullback. So when tech is due for a pullback, you got to look for other industries to go up because there's always a bull market somewhere. So for Amazon, Apple, Tesla, all those companies, I'm probably playing puts on a day trading tip. But I'm going to show y'all the swing trade for this week. And then I'm going to get up out of here, man. I only got one for y'all this week. Hopefully next week I'll have a bunch more, but all you need is one. All right, let's go in here. So CX. And if you look, you're gonna be like, okay, some of this stuff is repetitive. I see the trend, right? You're gonna start seeing this yourself. All right. So check this out. So we got the divergence, right? We got the divergence with the stock hitting higher lows and the indicators, the RSI and the stochastic and the MACD hitting lower lows, right? We're oversold on the stochastic and we're not oversold on the RSI, but I put the Bollinger Bands on the RSI, and according to the Bollinger Bands, we are oversold, right? All right, so now look at this. If you look right here, we got that hammer candle. We got that hammer at the end of a downtrend. We're at the bottom of the Bollinger Band. And on top of that, if you look up in here, well, you can't really tell right there, but let me see if I can go back to this and drag it back. So we looking at this light blue line I got on here, right? If y'all can see this. If y'all could see this. All right, cool. So y'all can see it when I'm moving it. All right, so we're looking at this light blue line for a support and resistance level, right? So boom, we got resistance right there. We got resistance right there. We got support right there. Let's see. Let's go back some more. That might be it. So that might be it. But if you look at that light blue line, that's a nice level of support or resistance. So let's bring this back to where we currently are. So we can see historically that blue line is a level of support or resistance. Hold on, let me FCX. Boom. And we got that hammer candle touching that blue line. We got the hammer candle touching the blue line. So we at support, we got the divergence, hammer candle, bottom of the Bollinger Band. It don't get no better than that. All right, y'all, man. So for the Swing Trade Stock Sundays, this is, I don't know, either episode 3 or 4, but I think it's episode 3, and so far I'm 2-0. I'm 2-0, and I don't plan on giving y'all no false information, so I'm going for 3-0. Y'all make sure y'all like and subscribe. Shoot the boy a happy birthday in the chat, in the comments. If you watching this, I don't care when you watching this. If you watch this in December, tell your boy happy birthday and make sure you like and subscribe.